shadow felt ashamed, chasing approval while forgetting my own name. They told me, Bolo, survive and stay small. But my soul kept whispering, stand up tall. I lost myself in the noise of the crowd, but silence taught me to speak out loud. No gold can heal a heart that's left behind, so I went searching for peace of mind. This is the road to self-respect, where broken pride learns to reconnect. No chains, no fear, no regret. I'm walking home to the man I am yet. This is the fire I won't forget, burning clean what life once kept. Step by step I break the debt, on the road to self-respect. Them lost in a digital maze, scrolling for love in 1,000 ways. But real validation come from within, not from applause or the likes on a screen. I seen kings fall chasing empty crowns, and rise again when they turn it around. No one can define what your worth should be, only your truth can set you free. Heavy bill slime, rolling slow, echoes of the past let go. Reverb tears in the corner of the mind, but clarity comes with time. This is the road to self-respect, where broken pride learns to reconnect. No chains, no fear, no regret. I'm walking home to the man I am yet. This is the fire I won't forget. Truth is the only thing I protect. Step by step I break the debt, on the road to self-respect. Respect yourself. And the world will learn your name, not for what you owe, but for who you became.